NCERT Physics Class 11th, 4th chapter, which is Motion in a Plane, question number 4.7. So in this we are given a plus b plus c plus d vector is equal to 0. Which of the following statement are correct? In this we have to verify that which of the following statement given are correct. First one, a b c d must be a null vector. क्या बोल रहा है? Must be a null vector. So if a b c d represent the four side of a closed polygon, then their vector summation would be 0. But individually a, b, c and d are non-zero. So this is wrong. If it was may at here, then this answer may be correct. अगर यहाँ पर may होता तो ये आंसर करेक्ट हो जाता, but due to must, this is not valid in each and every situation. Coming to B part, magnitude of A plus C equal to magnitude of B plus D. So for B part, what we are given, that vector summation of A, B, C, D is equal to 0. So we have to verify the magnitude of A and C. So A plus C is equal to minus of B plus D. If we take magnitude both side, then this minus would be cancelled. It would become plus. So from this we can say A plus C, magnitude of A plus C is equal to magnitude of B plus D. So option B is also correct, which says that A plus C magnitude is equal to B plus D magnitude. Coming to C part, magnitude of A can never be greater than sum of magnitude of B, C and D. So what we are given is that A vector can be written as minus of B plus C plus D. A vector can be written as minus of B plus C plus D because A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 0. इन तीनों को इधर लेके आए तो क्या आ गया? A vector is equal to minus of B plus C plus D. Now taking magnitude on both sides, we have magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B plus C plus D. Now for this we can say by using the polygon property that B plus C plus D would be less than equal to mod B plus mod C plus mod D. So by using this we can say that magnitude of A would be less than equal to mod B plus mod C plus mod D. So option C is also correct. Now D part, B plus C must lie in a plane of A and D if A and D are non-collinear. He is asking about B plus C. So we have B plus C is equal to minus of A plus D. A summation of 4 vector is 0. From this we can say that B plus C is equal to minus of A plus D. Now if A and D are not collinear, if A and D are not collinear, it means they are not in same line. So this is A and this is, let's say, B. And the resultant would, this is A and this is D. One vector is A and other vector is D. So let's say this is A vector and this would be D vector. So this is resultant A vector plus D vector. So we are given that B plus C is equal to minus of A plus D. It means that if this is A plus D vector, then B plus C would be in opposite to A plus D. So if this is A plus D, then B plus C would be in this direction. From this we can say that B plus C vector is in plane of A vector and B vector. This is correct. Now if A and D are collinear, if A vector and D vector are collinear, which mean A and D are in same direction. So A vector and D vector, this implies that A vector plus D vector would be in this direction. And if A vector and D vector are in this direction, this implies that this is B vector plus C vector, as B vector plus C vector is equal to minus of A plus D. So this is A plus D and this is B plus C. So we can say that B plus C must lie in a plane of A and D if A and D are not collinear. This we have done. And in the line of A and D if they are collinear. So A and D are collinear, then B plus C is in same line of A plus D vector.